Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the neon swing effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, go down to Nightclub, and then scroll to find the neon swing effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And what we can do is either choose to elongate it to the entirety of the clip or find a moment within the clip where we want to utilize this effect. So now with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the glow and the speed of the effect as well, and also add keyframes. You guys can mess around with these settings to fit your effect needs. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.